Formax presents the FD87 HDS Hard Drive Shredder and the FD87 HDS R Hard Drive Shredder with recording system. Keeping your computer's data secure is more important than ever. Reducing your disk for data breaches with a hard drive destruction solution should be a top priority for any business looking to keep data safe and secure. The Formax FD87 HDS and FD87 HDS R hard drive shredders create peace of mind while allowing for proper disposal of old hard drives with their heavy-duty all-metal construction and commercial-grade features. The powerful continuous cutting system easily shreds hard drives in two of the most popular sizes of desktop and laptop hard drives. Commercial-grade heavy-duty features of each model include hardened steel cutting blades, all-metal cabineting gears, and a heavy-duty AC geared motor. The FD87 HDS and FD87 HDS R display all of their automated features on their user-friendly LED control panel, including overload protection, waste bin fill, and door open indicators for safe operation. To destroy your hard drive, first turn the safety key to the on position. Next, press the start button. This will initiate the shredding process. Insert the hard drive into the appropriate shredding chamber and slide the chamber door forward to drop the hard drive into the cutting head. Return the door to the open position and insert your next hard drive. Continue this process until you are finished shredding, then press the stop button. Shredded pieces 1.6 inches wide and smaller for desktop hard drives and pieces 0.2 inches wide and smaller for laptop drives are securely collected in the waste bin below the cutting head. Additional features include two LED counters to keep an accurate count, auto cleaning to keep the blades in optimal condition, a large safety stop button, and a key lock which ensures access only to authorized personnel. For the ultimate in security, the FD87 HDS-R comes with a built-in recording system to ensure that each hard drive is properly shredded. The recording screen features 4 camera angles: the operator, hard drive compartment, mid-shredding, and waste bin. The FD87 HDS and FD87 HDS-R help bring security to your business with a reliable, easy-to-use hard drive data destruction solution.